So first is this, you know me, you know I love diptyque. Ginagamit ko pa rin naman siya. To buy a scarf, it should be from Acne. Diba? Ang cute. Ginagaslight ko lang yung sarili. Gamit ko na siya. Ooh, rock with siya ni Ian. Para bang maaamoy nyo. Hey guys, welcome to my first ever vlog. Yay! So in this vlog, mag-haul lang ako ng mga stuffs na binili ko for myself last Christmas 2025. So let's start sa aking purchase last November. Let's start with that. So first is this andito siya sa cute paper bag na to. Laging nag-iiba-iba yung Pure Beauty. So for this year, it's gold gift bag kasi nga gift ko to para sa sarili ko eh. Dito siya inside is wala na siyang box kasi ginamit ko na siya. Kaya ako naman siya binili to use it. So this is the Dior Backstage Glow Maximizer palette. Not sure if you can see it, pero yan siya. Opening it. Back. Next is this one. Acne Studio Reviews. Gift card sila. Because it's a gift for myself. So what I got is this cute scarf. So, dati kapag gusto ng scarf from Acne Studios, sabi ko, if I'm gonna buy a scarf, it should be from Acne. And also, this is cheaper in Japan kasi nga yung mga tax refund, less na siya kaagad sa actual price. I got this for like only 12,000 pesos. 12,000 lang siya. Okay, let's move on to my actual Christmas gifts. The backstory, last December, my brother and I, we went to Doha, Qatar. Kasi doon nakatira yung parents namin. So, we celebrated Christmas and New Year with them. So, ito lang yung mga talagang, sabi ko, gift ko to para sa sarili ko. Let's start with this one. Kasi medyo madami tayong binili dito. Medyo pagod na kasi yung eyeglasses ko. Wait, papakita ko sa inyo. Burberry eyeglasses ko. 5 years na sa akin to. So, kita niyo pa yan. Ang ganda niya pa rin. Ginagamit ko pa rin naman siya. So, this is my old glasses. Tapos, ang tagal na niya. Kaya I decided to get a new one, which is from Ray-Ban. Sobrang nostalgic lang kasi since high school, I'm a Ray-Ban girly. So yan. Ayan siya. Something kasi na pag daily, yung pwede kong gamitin sa office. Ayan. Diba? Ang cute. Ginagaslight ko lang yung sarili ko, pero feeling ko kasi ito talaga yung bagay sa akin ng color. May other colors pa sila, yung silver, ganyan. But yeah, do you guys like it? Okay, so I forgot to mention pala kung magkano ko siya nabili. Frame is 11,000 plus. So next is, talaga ako excited, is share with you guys because I got sunglasses from Miu Miu. Yeah. Ang plan ko talaga is to buy my optical glasses from Miu Miu. Tapos na-realize ko, wala nga pala akong shades. Kasi, yung mom ko, inarbor niya yung Gentle Monster shades ko na nabili ko sa Korea last March. So, sabi ko, it's a sign. I'll show you guys pala. Muna, let's unbox. So, meron siyang, tsaka ito. And, the iconic pink case. Inside pala, nilagay ko na yung pouch niya kasi para mas safe siya. So, this is the hard case. Tapos, merong pouch na ganito. Ayan, excited na ba kayo? Wow! Hindi ko alam kung na-appreciate niyo siya, pero yes. Yan ang ang logo nasa gilid na para bang sumisigaw yan siya ng meow meow. Ang liit talaga nito, hindi siya malaki. Eh yung Gentle Monster ko, malaki siya sa face ko. Ito yung itsura niya. Rock with Jenny. Charot. Hindi naman siya obvious na brand, pero pag tuwing ka sa side, Miu Miu. Isa ba? Miu Miu. I got this for 20,000 pesos. Not bad. I like it. I'm gonna wear it for a long time, guys. Hindi nyo na ako makikita bumibili ulit ng mamahaling sunglasses. So, next is, I got, this one. My favorite. Bath and Body Works. So, I got some gifts also from Bath and Body. Gifts for my friends. Got a gift for myself, of course. 1, 2, I got 2 candles. Ito talaga yung so happy. The first one that I got is this one. Tis the Season. Guys, kung naamoy nyo lang siya. Sabi dito, rich red apple, sweet cinnamon. Kaya, I love cinnamon. And the second candle is this one. Cranberry. Oh, it also has a pinch of cinnamon. Talagang cinnamon girl yan siya, oh. Kaya wala, gusto ko din yung amoy na to. White naman. Okay guys, so next is La Senza. So, in La Senza, alam niyo na kung anong binibili na dito, di ba? Explain ko pa ba? So, ayan, essentials guys, essentials. These are essentials. So, that's it for my La Senza haul dito. So, okay, next, let's move on to this one. If you know me, you know I love diptyque. I got a perfume. Siyempre, ano pa ba? Got this Dawson perfume. Sobrang common ng scent na to na parang lahat they're using Dawson na. Yan siya. Kaya sabi ko, maybe I should buy a Dawson. Papatungan ko na lang siya ng other scents para hindi magkakaamoy tayong lahat. Charot. Unbox. Let's unbox. Unbox ko na to. Gusto ko siyang gamitin na kaagad. This full-size bottle, I got it for only 10,000. Diba? It's not bad. Mura na yan siya. So, binigyan na ako ng pouch. Tapos, itong pouch na to, may laman siya sa loob. Kasi nga, ito yung first class kit ng Qatar Airways. Not sure if it's first class or business class. Pero, yeah. Hindi ko pa na-try, guys. Kaya, this one is lotion, face cream, lip balm. May kasama rin siya 10 ml na perfume. And it's also Dawson. Yeah, this one. It's so cute. I love it. I like it. Thank you, Tita. Last but not the least, I love you parents for this one. It's from Harvey Nichols. If you're not familiar, it's a luxury department store in Qatar. You know, my parents, they give the best gifts ever. You guys can see, it's MFK. A la Rose. Yeah. So, let's unbox ito. Ito talaga, guys. Hindi pa ito nagagamit. Ay, pero may iba pang. There's a 2 ml freebie. Baccarat Rouge. This pouch. So, let's unbox my MFK. Itas ko na siya na para bang maaamoy nyo. Uy! Shucks. Ang bang-bang. Look at the details talaga. Yes, bro. Grabe guys, parang babaeng-babae ako dito. Sa Dawson, parang baby girl yan siya. Ang bango. Thank you, parents. You're the best. Yan, pagod ako. But that's it for my Christmas haul. Paano ba outro. So yeah, bye guys, till the next vlog.